Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Titan Quest 2 DirectX error. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system. Try running without the -dx12 or -d3d12 command line argument. So let's jump to the solution. First solution is to update graphic card driver. So just update your graphic card driver and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. To do so, if you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to official website of NVIDIA. If you are having AMD drivers, then go to the official sites of AMD. And if you are having Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Here in example, I am showing the clean installation of NVIDIA graphic card driver. To do so, go to this NVIDIA official site. Once you are on NVIDIA official website, now here you have to do the manual driver search. Select the model number. Here I am selecting the my model number, but in your case you have to select your model number and then click on find, then click on view, then click on download. And once it is downloaded, double click on the exe file and perform a clean installation of a graphic card driver. And after performing a clean installation of graphics card driver, you can launch the game and check. Second solution is to update Windows. To do so, click on Windows icon, go to settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. If there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then launch the game and check. Third solution is to install DirectX end user runtime web installer. To do so, go to this website. It is a Microsoft official website. And once you are on the website, click on download and then run these executable files and install it. After installing it, you can launch the game and check. Fourth solution is to modify the game launch options. To do so, open Steam, right click on Titan Quest 2 game and select properties. In the launch option, type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties and this time type -dx11, close the tab and launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then remove the command from here and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fifth solution is to install Microsoft Visual C++ files. To do so, go to this website. It is a Microsoft official website. Once you are on Microsoft official website, scroll down and download both x86 and x64 version and then install it. While installing, if you see repair option, then repair it. If you do not see repair, then simply install it and install both x86 and x64 version of the Visual C++ files. And after installing Microsoft Visual C++ files, launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to verify integrity of game files. To do so, open Steam and go to library, right click on Titan Quest 2 and select properties. Now go to install files tabs, then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification of the files, you can launch the game and check. So by this way, you can fix DirectX 12 is not supported on your system in Titan Quest 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.